Hey now, what's going on? Thank you so much for dropping in to hang with me for a bit today. Package. Doing an unboxing. I ordered something from Walmart, so I figured I'd just come on and do a quick video and let you guys see what I ordered. Sit that there for right now. So I had ordered these 2 sets from Walmart. Saw them online when I was scrolling. So I do 80s and 70s and 80s lip syncing videos. So these are going to be for some videos because I feel like they give the vibe I'm looking for. This is the top. It is, can you guys see that? I don't know, this light, I don't think this light works for me. I think it is too bright. And I've tried the other settings, but it doesn't sit well. Okay, this is a no boundaries outfit. And it comes with a crop top, which of course I'll probably wear something over it. Also comes with a long max. Oh, this is big. They sent me the, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this in. I'm gonna have to dust off the sewing machine and take it in. But yeah, it'll be okay. I'll just take the waist in, and then I'll still have the bottom part to be long and flowy, because that's what I want, the flowy part of it for the videos. Wow, I can't believe, yeah. They said they changed the sizes, and it said on there that 1X was now like a 14 to a 16. So I ordered that one, 14 to a 16. That would have been bigger on me too. But this one says it's a 1K and I'm in a 1X and it's 16W to 18W. I did not, no. I didn't order that. Look, what am I going to do with that? This is like a whole curtain. You see that other one? They probably got me on the black one too. So I got a black one and a white one. Yep, they got me. 16W. 16 to 18W. I know I'm not the slimmest person, but yeah, I don't wear no 16 to 18W. No. Why they want to mess with me, y'all? My sister's gonna crack up when I tell her about this. And it goes down to the floor. You guys can't see it because of my camera not being in the right direction, but it does go down to the floor. Has a built-in slip. I think it comes down to your thighs to cover. And it is lacy like. Can you see me? I like it. I just gotta take the waists in on them. Oh, Walmart, what are you doing? 16W. You see that? I can't tell if it's clear or not because I don't have my glasses on. 16W to 18W. That's crazy. Yes, it says 1X, but it clearly said on there online they changed the sizes. So the 1X would now be the 14 to 16. I'm going to work with it. Do we want to do an outfit of the day? Let's just do this as a quick outfit of the day. Yep, a jumper. Got this from TikTok shop back when it was still summer. Haven't really worn it outside. I did wear it on video to show you guys what I had got, or I just held it up and showed it. I forget. I don't know. Anyway, but I'm about to go to Giant. So I will see you guys on the next one, and thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. Bye-bye. Oh, like this video if you like the video. Bye-bye.